Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So first of all, sorry that I could not post video or analysis because of the office or work that I have. So whenever I get time, I would try to post my analysis and do keep supporting by sharing your thoughts into the comment section by hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel to get the daily analysis. So bef today we don't have the post market analysis. I did not post anything yesterday, so I do have learning for you, those who are new to the market, those who are watching my videos for the first time, or even to be a revision or learning for others as well. So stay tuned, do not skip the video till the end. I would try to explain price action in a very short period of time or very quickly in a simple manner. No, there would be no confusion, anything, along with the concept of support and trend line. Okay, so before that we move to the learning, let us see quickly what do we have for tomorrow, that is weekly expiry. First of all, just keep in mind or take this as a suggestion, do not try to trade in this particular expiry. Go for next week expiry to be on the safer side, so that even if you are on a loss at the end of the day, you can convert your position or carry forward. So there may be a chances that your uh, what we can say, market may reverse and you may not face a huge loss. But the second possibility is that if this is the case, if market reverses and goes with your direction, second possibility, if market continues to go in opposite direction, you would be in big losses. So uh, first suggestion, never carry forward an options. Okay. Second, on the expiry day, especially, do not trade weekly expiry. Trade next week's expiry always. That this is the second suggestion to you. Now let's move on to the levels and see what do we have. So at the bottom we have strong support at 36,500. I have marked a small support 36,800. Compared between this level and this level, as I usually say, or in the last video, that round figure levels are more stronger or resistance than the 500 levels. So 37,000 is stronger support level than compared to 36,500. Next, I have marked at the top, you can see the strongest resistance is at 38,000 level. Okay, we have a strong resistance zone above this between 38,100 to 200. Next strong resistance zone is between 37,700 to 900. Okay, I hope you are able to see the levels. Okay, and good support zone is between 37,200 to 300. So out of which the 37,200 level is a good support level from where we can see market can bounce back. And between these two particular zone, I have marked the no trade zone. Do not trade into this particular zone. Let it either break this on the upper side or break this level on the bottom side, then enter into the trade. So as usual, let us see how to take the trade based on market opening. So guys, always remember, you should plan your trade. If this goes wrong, then what should be the next step, or what is my next plan? So always try to consider three scenarios. If market opens gap up, okay, so gap up, it should open above this level, you can see 37,550. Then you can go for a short buying very quickly. As you can see, we have a very strong resistance zone at the top, strong resistance level you may face. So max to max, market can travel from 550 level to 700, because 37,800 is the strongest level, is the most strong resistance level at this point. So when market opens gap up, what should be your strategy? Your strategy should be sell on rise. Sell what will you rather than selling sell on rise, you should buy on rise. So buy on rise, what would you buy? Put. So when market reaches around this particular point, you would buy a put so that you can enter into this short trade. Next, if market opens flat, if market opens flat in this particular zone, do not enter into the trade. Let it break and show you either a positive candle or a negative candle so that you can take the trade. Okay. Now let us consider if market opens gap down below this particular zone. You can clearly see we don't. This is the last support. What we have, last support we can say, or this is support. Below this, it can easily gap down, or what I mean to say is tomorrow there is a more possibility of a gap down opening and market can come to this particular level and bounce back. So let us see how market opens. If this level is broken, then 37,000 level can be seen, and below it we do not see a much strong support. Okay, so market can even come down to 36,500 levels. Okay, so this was it regarding the intraday levels and analysis. Now let us come back to the learning point what I want to show. Okay, so usually this whatever analysis I show you, I show it in a 15 minutes time frame. I cannot post my analysis lesser than 15 minutes time frame. TradingView does not allow me. So what I wanted to show during the daytime when I was looking into the chart, you might have uh, I don't know whether you might have figured it out or not. We I figured it out by this way, by drawing a trend line. Okay, here you can see market took the support of this particular point at first. This is second. Don't go with the color, just what I wanted to show. This is second time. So third time there is more possibility of breaking this uh, support line. Okay, just not to confuse, let me mark it as green as well. Okay, so before this, what I want to show, I am converting my chart to 5 minutes time frame, and you can clearly identify now. If you look from here, market is moving in the upward direction. It is making higher highs. Okay, so if you look at this swing, it made a this high, next high, and this particular high. So this high was not broken out. Market came down to this particular level when it touched, faced the resistance of 38,000, and it bounced back. Again, second time it faced the resistance, and third time it crossed the 38,000 level. Okay, this was one thing. Now next, what I wanted to show, when it broke this support trend line at this particular point, market came down and it retested this particular level. Okay, and if you draw one more line, okay, not this particular line, let me delete it and let me just draw a horizontal line, then you would be able to understand. Okay, and let me change the color. So you can see market taking support of this particular support line as well, first time, second time, and it was a more possibility that, as per our rule, that after market testing a support or a resistance line more than twice, the third possibility becomes more. So this was the critical point. Even if you see for the support line, this line uh, at this point was a critical point. I hope you are getting what I mean to say. So when it broke this line, market came down and it retested. It retested, or whatever we call it, is a pullback, or what is that other term? I don't remember. Okay, so when market bounced back to this particular level, it was not able to break break this horizontal support line, neither this resistance line. Then it came down. Second time, even it tried. Okay, so what market is doing? Market came down, making lower lows. Okay, this is what the price action, or we can say in short, when market is moving up, it is making higher highs, and when market broke this previous swing, we can say, or previous low, and when it retested and it could not break this level, then you should have entered at this particular point. At this particular point, when you see this negative candle, okay, then later also we can see that market could not break this uh, horizontal support line which acted as a resistance, and it made a next low and next low. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show from a price action point of view, and how the support and resistance work, or when a support is broken it acts as a resistance, whereas resistance is broken it acts as a support. I hope you like my analysis. Please do keep sharing and supporting, and subscribe to the channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.